Hello and welcome back to Quick Tips. This week I'm going to talk to you a little bit about Generative Expand here in Illustrator. And as we can see, I have an image here that I've generated previously. Now, I'm using an AI generated image for this, but this could be an image that you created yourself or a stock vector from Adobe Stock. The first thing that I want to do is I want to make this a little bit larger. I want to fill up my entire canvas with this image. And to do that, I'm just going to select it. I'm going to hold down Shift and scale this up just to fit in here. Now, in the past, I might have just used a graphic or some sort of other element down here to hide this area, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little bit of AI right here in Illustrator to make my life easier. Down here in the context window, we can see that there's this little icon for Generative Expand. It's kind of easy to miss, but the way I think of it is, oh, it's right there in the middle. I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to expand my canvas. Now, I won't lie to you guys. When I do this, I often wait here like something's going to happen and think that I'm already expanding, but I need to push generate before I do that. I can put in a prompt if I wanted to expand and add a specific element, but I just want this to expand my beach, so I'm going to hit generate. And now that it's processed, I can see that I have a really nice beach scene that I can use for my piece. If I click back onto my beach scene, we can see here that it's given us 3 variations we can choose from for our illustration. Have any questions or tools you'd like further tips on? Leave it in the comments below, and we'll be sure to make some new content based on those questions. That's it for this week. See you again next week for another quick tip.